Hey, it's Clarence and Tim McCarthy from HushMat. Now, if you happen to pick up HushMat, a lot of people know, all the pro builders, they're like, you get HushMat, then you get Megabond Silencer. This takes silence to a whole nother level. And I didn't actually hear it until last year at SEMA. I went into one of the pro builders' cars and I was like, this is incredible. Sounds like a recording studio. What's in this? I mean, this isn't a very big accessory, but I'll tell you, this makes all the difference in the world when you hear a 1,000 horsepower engine, or somebody doing a whole shot. You literally could have recorded an album inside the car. It was so quiet.
Yeah, it's a whole nother level of quiet, Clarence.
Right.
What we do is we take the low frequency noise out with the HushMat Ultra. We then take the high frequency noise, and people say, well, what's that? High frequency noise is exhaust noise. Tips, you put new tips or new pipes on your aftermarket pipes. You road noise, you drive on an asphalt paved surface to a concrete groove surface. You hear that step change of noise inside the car and it's deafening. This takes care of the low frequency vibration, then Silencer absorbs all that noise. The other thing is you've got a 260, 280 degree firewall that is cooking your feet. Maybe it's your tunnel area, it's the exhaust running underneath your floor pan. This will take that down to 100 degrees, okay, the Ultra product. Silencer takes it to room temperature. You cannot feel the heat when you put your hand on there with the Silencer Megabond. And then put your carpet back on top and you're done.
I'm thinking, it's kind of funny because just seeing some of the pro builds last year, car of the year, they're all getting together and really getting involved with sound deadening. And when you hear the Silencer Megabond, you just close the door. It's like, that's it, it's done.
Absolutely. The Silencer half-inch, you put that on the floor pan. On the doors and on the roof, we offer it in a 1/4 inch. So you put it on the back of the removable door panel, or you put it on the back of the headliner and then put your headliner back up. It creates almost a sound chamber in the interior of the car. With HushMat Ultra.
Okay.
And then over the top of that, we applied the Silencer Megabond.
Okay, great.
Now, we took a cardboard box.
Just a regular cardboard box.
Cardboard box, and we lined the inside of it with Silencer Megabond. So
nothing else.
Nothing else.
That's nothing, okay.
Nothing else. So, we're gonna take these CDs, and we're gonna put them inside the blender.
Oh, that's going to be nice. You know it's going to happen, right? I can feel it coming. All right, let's make sure it's on tight.
We're on tight.
Oh, boy. All right. There you go. You ready?
Now, we're going to grind up the CDs.
Okay, go ahead. It slices. It dices. Okay.
Then we're going to put the Silencer Megabond over the top of it.
Wow. Okay, that's cool.
Night
that
and
is
day
cool.
difference.
You got me. That is wild.
So,
that's just a mess,
That's what happens when they let two car guys in the kitchen.
Silencer Megabond. That's all it is right around in the inside of this box.
That's it.
Wow. Take it off one more time.
Night and day difference. For more information, you can find it on the website. Of course, HushMat is built here in the U.S.
So if you call the company, chances are you will talk to my friend Tim right there. Made in the USA and awesome for your car, your investment. The car you love will sound so much better. Check it out right now at HushMat.com.